So the telephone game. We are going to play a game between ourselves and our crew members. Well, not all of them.
I think of ourselves.
So basically, it's what some people call Chinese telephone. I will whisper a phrase or sentence to one of the gentlemen them and him go to the next person. And what happens? When it come around here, we go and find out whether I the same thing him tell everybody. That is the game.
From me say, while the eye starts here open, me know so it may not trouble.
All right, we have to work with me now. So the first person I'm going to. So I must just whisper to him or I must bawl out to everybody. So I can't just show him. You ready, feet, Bridget?
Okay.
All right.
Can't see neither him nor never. Yeah.
Ready if him even remember the first word when we say, no, you supposed to go so. No, you go and tell Tyrone. If you remember one word when me tell him a while ago. Is that man? Leave the camera, man. I'll tell Tyrone now. How foolish is it? Tyrone. No, Wham, you know like that man there. That is our floor manager, by the way. Because we run Benji. A Benji cousin. And Clive gonna tell.
Devil is the word.
Yeah, and then you come tell later. What him tell you?
20 dumpling per people. From here, the per people, me know say something wrong.
What him say? What him tell you?
20 dumpling per people.
See when me tell him, man, 20 tumbling purple people pull turnips. And that me tell him.
What you hear, Clive?
Where
What
you
you
hear?
hear?
20 dumpling purple people. It's 20 tumbling purple people pulled turnips.
All right.
My time again?
No, me go see if the telephone better that way, yeah. And the telephone never work that way there.
20 dumpling purple
Come
people.
Wally.
Me love it. No man, that man is dead. That's too long. Him dead already.
So I can tell them, say.
Tyrone time. Well, Clive forget already. Good see.
Watch out, it
What's
get
that?
longer.
Is that meeting? Is that meeting? All right, you're supposed to come tell me, you know. Well. What?
All right.
Him say something like, a lunch a banana turning people. That's him just tell me. A bunch of yellow bananas, lunch and a blue. What you tell me a while ago? No, that's you say still. Him say a lunch a banana turning people. All right, the last one.
Wally, what did you tell Clive? What you heard, Clive? From Wally dead.
From Wally dead. I launched a banana turning people. And it's only one time you're supposed to tell me, don't repeat it. Come again, Bridget. Listen to me now,
A bunch of yellow bananas.
You ready, sir?
Yeah.
But I can't the ears with the headset in my listen to. I'm not going to hear through the headset.
Alright, me not have to tell you 2 more times. Me tell you already.
But why didn't he move the headset?
One more
though?
time, I tell you. Alright, you ready now?
Yeah.
The funny bunny hid the color of the candy in the color of the candy.
Problems.
When it started, it mess up. Now that it's got done with him, it's all mess up too. Come tell the What him say? What him say? Eh?
The funny bone can't take the candy from the pot. From my ear, it I know. The funny bone can't take the candy from the pot. That's what Wally said.
Wally say the funny bone can't take the candy from the. The funny bunny hid the colored candy in the colored can.
No partner in there, sir.
No partner reached there. That's it. Where you here? Well, on the memory. The whole only need some spirulina, because on the memory no good at all.
Or them if you go to a diagnostic center for them hearing. When they say the problem what me in the morning time, nobody not hear. Oh my word, the funny bone and the pot.
I don't know him reach funny bone. There you go.
Pot, no partner in a pot.
All right, well, we're going to go for a break, right? And then when we come back, it is time for us to move out of here. We soon come.
Funny.